Alright, let's get the CPE on the pole, get it up and wired. Tree's slightly in the way of getting to the AP, but if that don't work, I can turn and get to an AP that's right over there. So we'll see what kind of signal we get from here to the main AP. They don't need but the lowest package, which is 10 megs. So if we can get over 10 megs with good pings, we'll be all right. Okay, we got the CPE mounted all the way up. We're going to try to connect it to the AP up there, even though it goes a little bit of tree in the way. We're going to try it anyway. If not, I'm going to program it to go to the other AP, which is no big deal. The sun's trying to come out even more. I will not argue with that a bit. All right, let's see here. All right, let's get the air cube in here. And one thing we're going to need, let's see, the air cube will be the jumper will be the PoE in. I need to get the PoE actually in here now. PoE. Let's see if we can get this to fire up. And look at the light on it. And we got light. So the air cube will fit right down in here like that. Need some double-sided stick tape again. Ran out. Haven't been installing. Kind of ran out a little bit. But that's alright. We can plug the PoE to feed the air cube. And that is doing that. I love these little jumpers. And we can take this and plug it into the PoE out to feed the the CPE. Now, get the laptop and see if it actually connects. Go from there. See if it actually fires up. And then we can activate a count. It's charging nicely. Let's get the drill in here. Put the chuck up. And let's see. somewhere we got some locks in here somewhere. Lock. There we go, right there. Now let's see which one, what key actually I need for this. I do believe it's this one. Yep. So we can take this right here, put it right in there like that, and it will lock. Get the thread started. Lock the box. Alright, let's get the laptop and see what we get. Okay. Alright, we logged into the set Google as your default PDF viewer. Yeah, why not? Let's see if it passes traffic. I can't remember. I do believe it will until I get it all set up. Let's see, we need, I do believe, 10 megs, I do believe is all he wanted. So let's see, let me go to his account and look and see what manage. Switch to CRM, see what speed he actually wanted. 10 megs. So we're looking for 10 megs minimum on download. And we are running. Well, I think we got the 10. Looking for 10. We got 62, 63, 66, 67. Yeah, I think he's going to get his 10 megs with no issue. So let's activate his account, send him his information, and he can start surfing the net. We got the batteries charging over here. I had to adopt the CPE because it wasn't connected to the internet when I set it up. I can't do that until I get here, unless I set up an AP with the same credentials, but I can do that here. It's just as easy. Alright, now let's set his account up. Okay, we got all his account active. Just waiting for it to program the speed on the CPE, and then we're going to do another test and see if we can get somewhere between 10 and 15. Always give like 30% more than actually what people get. Alright, let's do a speed test. Supposed to be somewhere between 10 and 15. 10 minimum. And we're doing, let's see, 12, 12 and a quarter, 45 ping, 1 meg up. Okay, let's do it again. Refresh page. Let's do this again. So many ads on this page. Yeah, 12 and a half, 12 and a quarter. Yeah, it's holding 12 and a quarter or more. That's good. Alright. He's got his internet. Now I just got to text him his information, and we will be set. And so will he. So thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. And I think that would do it for now. Finished the fiber. Got the internet back up for the park. Got one installed. Now it's time to go back home and do another install back in Jacksonville. See you in that video.